Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a main navigation bar, and at the same time we will learn how to make the navigation bar mobile responsive for any kind of mobile devices. Okay, so in this video we are going to use HTML, CSS and jQuery, okay, for the mobile responsiveness. So let me show you the example what I am talking about and what we are going to learn in this video. Okay, so here is the main navigation bar. See, as you will hover on any menu, you are going to see a child drop down also. Okay, this is a child drop down menu. See, this is a child drop down menu. Okay, and at the same time it is mobile responsive also for any kind of mobile devices. Okay, let me show you the responsiveness also. See, whenever I will click on this hamburger, you're going to see a mobile responsive navigation bar. See, you can click here or you can click on this portion also, on this part also, it will be disappear. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn how to make this kind of mobile responsive navigation bar. Okay, see, as of now this is iPhone Pro 12. Okay, this is a full responsive. You can click on this cross also. See, now let me change the device. See, it is still responsive. So as you can see, it is responsible for any kind of mobile devices. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn how to make this kind of navigation bar so that it will help us in personal as well as in professional development. Okay, so guys, without wasting the time, let's get started. But before starting of this video, I would like to request you guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please like all my videos so that it will motivate me, it will give me the confidence that I am making a good video on each and every topic of web development and web designing. Okay, so guys, I am requesting you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please like all my videos. Thanks a lot. So guys, let's get started. So in this video we are going to learn how to make this kind of navigation bar, okay, for our website. So I am going to my code editor now. Let's create a new page and give it a name as main navbar navbar.html. okay, save the page now. Code with ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so first of all let me paste this CDN file, a CDN link for Bootstrap font awesome. Okay, let me paste the CDN now. Here is the CDN link for font awesome. In this video we are not going to use any Bootstrap. Okay, so this will be a fully custom classes, fully custom tutorial. In this video you are going to learn CSS, jQuery and HTML also. Okay, we will be knowing how to create a main navigation bar from scratch using custom CSS, HTML. We are not going to use any kind of CSS framework like Bootstrap, Tailwind, nothing like that. Okay, so we will be using this kind of navigation bar using plain JavaScript, CSS and HTML. Okay, from scratch. This will be a fully custom navigation bar, but it will be at the same time responsive also for the any kind of devices, for any kind of mobile. Okay, see the responsiveness, it is fully responsive. See, it is fully responsive for any kind of device. Okay, so I'm not going to use Bootstrap in this class, in this tutorial. I will use fully custom CSS. Okay, so guys, let's get started now. Create a div and give it a class as navbar, and give it an ID also navbar. Okay, close this div. Inside this div, create another div and give it a class as inner navbar. Okay, give ID also as inner navbar. Close this div now. Inside this div, create another div and give it a class as logo container. This is going to contain the logo of the site, logo of the brand. Okay, close this div now. Inside this div, create another div and give it a class as logo holder. Just watch the entire video, guys. I'm sure you will learn a lot of things from this video. Just be there till last. You will gain some kind of confidence and some kind of knowledge also from this video, I'm really sure. Create an anchor tag, give it a href, give it a JavaScript, so that it is not going to take us anywhere. Okay, give it a class as main logo. Okay, close this anchor tag, give ID also as main logo. Inside this a tag, create img tag, give src, give it a class also as logo. Okay, and give the ID also as logo. So I'm going to the folder where I have saved some images. Okay, so let's go to the folder, go to YouTube project, images, and inside these images I have saved this logo. Okay, I will use this logo, Facebook logo only. So images hash this. Okay, so this is our, this div is for our, this section is for our logo. Okay, so now create another div, give it a class as mobile menu. Okay, this will hold the menu for close this div, and inside this div, close this div, and inside this div create a span tag, give it a class as mobile icon. Okay, close this span now, and inside this span create I tag, give it a class as fafa bars. Okay, and area hidden equal to true. Close this I. Okay, so here let me show you what I have done here. Okay, so go to the example, go to the mobile version, and see, I'm talking about this hamburger menu. Okay, this hamburger icon I have given here, this hamburger icon. Okay, this is the hamburger icon I have given here. Okay, so close this. Now create another div, give it a class as menu container, close this div, inside this div create another div, give it a class as inner menu, okay, and close this div now. And inside this div create a UL tag, UL, give it a class as navbar UL, okay, close this UL. Inside this UL create li and give it a class as navbar li, okay, and close this li. Inside this li create anchor tag, okay, and give it a, as of now give it a JavaScript void so that it won't redirect us anywhere, and give it class also as navbar link, okay, and close this anchor tag. Inside anchor give home, okay, so home, just copy this li, okay, and paste it 5 times 6 times according to your requirements, okay. According to your requirements, so give home, okay, change this to about us, services. Just watch this video. I'm sure guys you will learn a lot of things from this video. You will be master on creating navigation, any kind of navigation bar in your website. Request, register, and last one give a new as logout, okay, logout. Just save the page and go to the browser and see the output, okay. Save the page, open in browser and see the output. As of now we are able to see this, okay. So now we are going to style this so that it will look awesome like this. We are going to create menus like this, okay, this menu. So now go to, I'm going to create an internal style sheet inside the head tag, okay. So style, close this, okay, so position relative, padding 0, margin also 0, and box sizing border box, okay. Now I'm going to target this navbar. This is the container, okay, container for the entire navigation bar, container for the entire things, okay. So I'm going to target this navbar now. So it is a class, so we have to put point, okay, give display flags, justify content center, okay, give flex direction as row, flex 1, align item center, align content center, flex wrap as wrap. It will wrap the entire container. It won't let the container or content out of the parent. Okay, it will be inside the parent only. So flex grow initial or inherit, it can be anything, initial or inherit. Flex shrink initial width 100%, give height as auto. Okay, now I am going to target this inner navbar. Okay, this is the parent. Inner navbar, give width 100%, height auto, display flex, justify content center, align item center, align content center, align self as center, background 000 C2 and padding give 10 px. Okay, so save the page now and go to the browser and refresh the page and see the output. As of now it has come side by side, means in a single row I'm talking about. So this is the logo and this is the menu. Okay, it has come in a single row. Now style it now again. Now I am going to target this logo container. Okay, this is the container for this logo. So give width 30%, give height as auto, justify content center, okay, display flex, align item center, align content center, okay, give text align as center. Okay, so now I'm going to target this menu container. Okay, this menu container, this is the container for the entire menu: home, about us, services, logout. Okay, this is the container for this menu from here to here. Now I'm going to target this menu container. Okay, give width 70 px. So we have to divide 100% width into this logo container. Okay, so I have given this logo container width as 30%. Okay, and this mobile menu container from here to here, I will give this menu container as the width of 70%. Okay, from here to here. So the 100% will be divided into two parts. Okay, this mobile container, this mobile logo container. Okay, no, sorry, this logo container and this menu container, it will be divided into. So logo container has given already 30%, so I will give menu container as 70%. Okay, so give display as flex, justify content center, align item center, align content center. Okay, flex direction row, flex wrap, flex basis auto, flex, shrink, initial, text, align as center. Okay, so now save the page, go to the browser and refresh the page. Okay, so here now I am going to target the logo, the main logo. Okay, now going to target the logo, this logo, this image I'm talking about. Okay, so logo, give width 120 pixel, give height as auto, object fit cover, give border radius 0 px, give display as flex, give align item center, give align content as center, give position as relative, give text align as center. Okay, save the code, go to the browser and refresh the page. I have already saved the code, go to the browser and refresh the page now. See, now it has looked like this. Again go to the code. Now I am going to target this UL, which is the container for the entire text, home, about us, ally, whatever it is. Okay, so go to the style sheet, UL, give as position relative, line height as auto, give list style type as none, give margin 0, padding also 0. Okay, give display flex, justify content center, align item as center, align content as center, give flex direction as row. Okay, so now I am going to target this navbar li. Okay, navbar li, give position as relative, line height as auto, give list style type none, list style type is none now, and margin 0 and padding also 0. Okay, now save the code, go to the browser and refresh the page. See, it has started looking like this. Okay, it has started looking like this. Okay, so now I am going to target this navbar link. Okay, this navbar link, it is a class, so it will be applied on each and every class. So navbar link, now give padding 10 px and 6 px, give margin 0 px and 3 px, give text transform as uppercase, text decoration as none. Okay, give display as block, give font size as 13 px, font family sans serif, give cursor as pointer, give border radius 0px, give text shadow 1px, 0px, RGBA 0.2, okay, and give transition all 0.3 sec is, okay. Transition is used for animation, okay, for animation effect. So give color as white, okay. Now save the code, go to the browser and refresh the page now, okay. So here and here it has started looking like this. We will make exactly like this, okay. Give font weight as 4, save the code, go to the page, refresh the page now, give 5, give 6, okay, fine. Give letter spacing also, letter spacing 0.3 px, okay. Decrease this to 2, okay. So now I am going to put this icon, okay, this icon here, the upper angle icon, okay. So go to here, create I tag, give it a class as fafa angle up, okay. Area hidden as true, okay, and close this I tag. Copy this I tag and paste wherever you want to give drop down menu, okay. Paste it there only, otherwise no need to paste it. This menu shows that this is a child drop down, okay. This navigation bar is a child drop down, so okay. So now go to the code, go to the code now and copy this navbar li, copy this navbar li, paste it here, and on hover of this navbar li I will give background color as white, and okay, let's save the page, refresh the code now, okay. So fine, and on hover of this li, okay, I am going to change the color of this navbar link, okay, this navbar link. So color will be black, color will be black. Save the code, go to the browser and refresh the page, okay. See, it's working, it's working now. Now we will create child drop down like this, we will create this child drop down. Now we will create, okay. So go to the code, now Okay, from this, inside this li, okay, inside this li we have to create child drop down. Okay, so create a div, give it a class as child drop down. Okay, child drop down container. Okay, close this div now. Okay, and inside this div create ul tag, ul, give it a class as child drop down ul. Okay, so that we are going to remember. Close this ul. Okay, and inside this ul we will create li, give it a class as child drop down li. Okay, and close this li. Inside this li we are going to create anchor tag. Okay, anchor tag href javascript void and give it a class as child drop down link. Okay, so close this a and give as home. Copy this li up to li. Okay, copy this li and paste it 6-7 times. Okay, according to your requirements of the child drop down menu. Okay, so let's change this text now. Give it about us, give services, give request, give system status. Okay, give it registration. Okay, and give it as sign in. Okay, just save the file, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, it will look like as of now like this only. So we have to style this also. Go to the style sheet, and we are going to target this child drop down now from this div to this div. Okay, we will target this now in our style sheet. So child drop down container, give position as relative, give display as block, and give box sizing as border box. Okay, so now I'm going to target this child drop down ul. Okay, give position as absolute, left 0, right also 0, give width 100px, give background color as white, give border radius 0px, give box sizing as border box, give box shadow 0px and 0px, RGBA 0.5 0.3. okay, give border thin solid gains border. okay, give list style type as none, give padding also 0, give margin also 0. okay, give overflow hidden. As of now, give display as block. Later we have to hide this child drop down. okay, and it will show only whenever someone will hover on the menu. okay, but as of now give it a block so that we can see what is happening. okay, I have already saved the code. Go to the browser and refresh the page. okay, refresh the page. See, as you can see, we have got like this. okay, so we are on the right track as of now. Just go to the style sheet and copy this child drop down li. Just be here till last. I'm sure you will learn a lot of things from this video. okay, so give list style type as none, and padding also 0, margin also 0, and give border thin solid as gains board. okay, save the code, go to the page and refresh it. See, as of now we have got this last border also, so we have to remove this border. okay, so copy this style sheet, paste it here, and I will use a property as called as last child. okay, and give border to 0px, give border as 0px and transparent. okay, now I am going to target this child drop down link. okay, anchor tag, copy here, paste it here, and give it position as relative, display as block, text align left, give padding as 10px, give font family sans serif, font weight also 500. okay, and give letter spacing 0.1 px. okay, give cursor as pointer, give text decoration none, text transform as capitalize. okay, give color as black, give bifurcate appearance as none. okay, as none. Save the code now, go to the browser and refresh your page. okay, see, as of now we are able to see this. okay, Okay, copy this, paste it here, and on hover give background as Gainsborough and transition all 0.3 second is. Okay, save this file. See, we got this. Give z index 1. Okay, fine. Go to the code now. Now we have to copy this child drop down from this div to this div and paste inside this li. Okay, inside this li, from paste here, and from in this li paste here. Save the code, go to the browser and refresh your page. See, it is also a child drop down menu, so paste it also here and paste it also here inside this L. We paste inside the li only, okay, not outside this and not other part. Okay, so we have pasted it now. So as of now we have to hide this UL, so give display as none. Okay, and whenever save the code, refresh the page. Okay, whenever someone will hover over this menu, then only we will show the drop down menu. Okay, so for this we have to write code. So go to the style sheet now. Go to the style sheet, and on every li where we have child drop down menu, okay, on every li where we have child drop down menu, we have to give a extra class called as give as a child. Okay, you can give any class, give child also here, or give instead show, instead of child give show. Okay, so it will be relevant to the menu. Okay, give show only. So whenever anyone will hover over this menu, we will show a child drop down menu also. Okay, so okay, now go to the code. So show on hover, okay, we will show the child drop down UL. Okay, and will give it a display as block. Okay, display as block, because previously we have given display as none for hiding the drop down menu, and whenever someone will hover over this menu, then only we will show the child drop down menu. Okay, so for this here I am writing the code. Whenever someone will hover over this li, this li, this li, this li, this li, okay, and this li, whenever someone will hover over this li only, then only they will show the child drop down menu. For this we have written this code here. Okay, so save the file, go to the browser and refresh your page now. Okay, and whenever I will hover over this, we will show a child drop down menu. Okay, so let's see the code now. See, we are getting the child drop down menu also. See, okay, so we are getting our child drop down menu. Okay, see, fine, it is working fine. Let's check it here. Okay, it is working absolutely fine, no issues. Now we have to work on mobile navigation responsive menu. Okay, now we will work on mobile responsive navigation menu. Okay, so for this, go to the code. Okay, and go to the down, and outside of this div, create another div and give it a class as mobile menu. Create another div, okay, and give it as a mobile menu container. Okay, so let's write a comment here. As previously I have told you, writing comment inside your code will help you a lot in the future. Whenever you will come to your code to see what you has done previously, it will help you, the comment will help you. Okay, so it's a good practice to start writing comments inside your code. Okay, mobile menu, close this div. Okay, inside this div, create another div, give it a class as inner mobile menu, close this div also. Okay, so don't forget to close your elements. Okay, close your tag, otherwise you will face lot of difficulties. Okay, your code won't work, you will face lot of problem, lot of difficulties. So try to close each and every tag, each and every element. Okay, so create another div inside this and give it a class as profile container. Okay, close this div also. Inside this div, create another div and give it a class as admin mobile, close this div also, and inside this div create img src and give it a class as user pick. Okay, give images slash, go to the folder and copy this image name. Okay, so copy this image name, go to the code and paste it here. Okay, fine. Inside this img, create a span tag, span, give it a class as offline and dots. Okay, and give it a title also, you are offline now. Okay, and close this span tag now. Okay, and inside this profile container, create another div give it a class as names, close this div now, and inside this div create another span tag, span, give it a class as profile name, and close this span tag. As of now, give the text as welcome guest. Okay, so create another div, give it a class as menu, close, and close this div. Okay, and inside this div, container div, create another div, give it a class as mobile menu content. Okay, mobile menu contents. Okay, close this div now. Okay, inside this div create a ul tag. Okay, ul, give it a class as mobile menu ul, close this ul, and inside this ul create li. Okay, create li, give it a class as mobile menu li. Okay, close this li now, and inside this li create anchor tag, href javascript void. Okay, and give it a class also mov link, means mobile link. Close this anchor tag and give text as home. Okay, copy this li from here to here. Okay, copy it and paste it 6 times. Okay, change this text to about us, request services, system status, my profile. You can change the text according to your need, according to your requirement. Okay, as of now I'm giving some random text, my courses. Okay, so okay, my courses, contact us, sign up and login. Okay, just save the page and go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, as of now we are able to see this only. Okay, so now we are going to style this mobile navigation menu bar. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. Go to the mobile version. So I'm talking about this portion. Okay, this portion, home, about us, my profile, my course, services, faculty, contact us, sign up now, and login. I'm going to style this portion now. Okay, so now copy this, copy this, let me write the comment here, style sheet for mobile menu. Okay, so from here we are going to style our mobile menu. Okay, our responsive mobile menu. So copy this and paste it here. So give position as fixed, give width 100%, give height also 100%, give background as RGBA 0.3 or 2, it can be your choice. Give Z index 999, give padding 10px, give top 0, left 0, give display left 0, give display as flex, justify content center, flex direction as column. Okay, give opacity as of now give it 1, so that we will be seeing what we are doing. Okay, give as of now give visibility also visible, later we will change this opacity to 0 and visibility to hidden. Okay, so as of now give it like this only, and transition all 0.3 second is okay. Let's save the code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, as of now we are not able to see anything. Go to the mobile menu, copy this class. Now I'm going to target this class now. Okay, give point, paste it here, give background as FFF, give width as 300px, give height 100%, give position as absolute, left as 0, right as 0, give Z index as 999, give transform, give as translate 3D, transform, translate as 3D, give minus 350px 0 and 0px. Okay, and we'll change transform, okay, and transition all 0.3 sec is okay. So save the code, go to the browser. As of now again we won't be able to see anything changes. Okay, refresh the code now. See, we won't be able to see anything as of now. Just go to the code, Now I'm going to target this profile container. Okay, go to the mobile menu and this profile container I'm going to target. Okay, this div, this entire div I'm going to target now. Okay, go to the code, go to a style sheet, paste it here, give display as flex, justify content center, flex direction as row, align item center, align content center. Okay, give position as relative, give background as A 9A 970. Okay, give width 100%, give margin top 0px, give position as fixed, give z index as 999, give height auto, and give padding 15px. Okay, save the code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, as of now be able to see this only. Go to the code now, and now I am going to target this admin mobile. Okay, and user pick, admin mobile and user pick. Okay, and user pick. Okay, let me check it again. Is it underscore or dash? Copy this and paste it here. Okay, so first style this, give position as relative, give border 2px solid, and as of now give black. Okay, and give border radius 100%. Okay, now I'm going to style this pick. Okay, this pick I'm going to style now. So give width 50px. Okay, give height 50px, give border radius 100%, give position as relative, and give cursor as pointer. Save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page now. Okay, so now we are not able to see anything. Let me just comment one thing. Just comment this and go to the page. See, as of now be able to see this. Okay, so as of now let it be commented. Go to the code now. Now I am going to target this mobile menu UL. Okay, this mobile menu UL. Okay, go to the style sheet, paste it here, give padding as 0, margin as 0, list style type as none, give position as relative, give display as flex, and give flex direction as column. Okay, now target this li, mobile menu li. Okay, and next we will target this mov links. Okay, this mov links. So go to the style sheet, give point, paste it, and mov links. Okay, so first style this one, give list style type as none, padding 0, margin also 0. Okay, give display as block and give position as relative, and give border bottom thin, solid, and against border. Okay, and we have to remove the border from the last child. Okay, so last child, give 0 pixel, transparent. Okay, just save your code, go to the page and refresh the browser. Okay, so now I'm going to target this mov link. Give position as relative, padding 10 px, text transform capitalize, text align left, text decoration as none. Okay, color as black, cursor as pointer. Okay, font size as 15 px. Okay, give font family as sans serif, font weight as 500. Just save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, so class mov link, padding. Okay, and give display as block. Okay, go to the browser, refresh your page. Okay, so as of now, just go to the inspect. As of now, see, we are able to see this. Okay, so give font size as 17 px. Okay, fine. Home. So mov link, give padding 10 and 15 px. Okay, give font size 20 px. Okay, now I'm going to target this mobile close. Okay, this menu close here, this menu close. Okay, this menu close, go to the style sheet, paste it, give position as absolute, give right -40 px, give display as block, give z index 1, give cursor as pointer, give width as 40 pixel, give height 40 pixel. line height also 40 px, give display as flex, justify content center, align item center, align content also center, and give background color as red. Okay, so give mobile menu content, go to the mobile menu content, copy this mobile menu content, okay, and above this paste it here and give margin top as 80 px and height of 100%. okay, let's save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, see, we have got this like this. Okay, now we are going to make this cross sign. Okay, we are going to make this cross sign using before and after pseudo classes. Okay, so before and after pseudo classes, copy this, give before, okay, give content nothing, give position absolute, float, give float right, okay, give float right, height 2 px, give width as 30 px, give background as white, give top 20 px, give cursor as pointer, give display as flex, give z-index as 999 and transform, give rotate 45 degree. okay, and copy this entire class, entire style, paste it here and change this to after. Okay, change it to after, just change this to minus and okay, so just save your code, go to the browser and refresh the page. Okay, see, we have got this cross now like this. Okay, we have got it here also. Fine, here let me just inspect it here, go inspect it, go to the mobile menu container, mobile menu content and increase the margin top. Okay, increase the margin top, so make it 90. Okay, make it 90, margin top, make it margin top, make it 90. Okay, save the code, refresh the browser. Okay, so as of now we have seen this. Go to here and go to mobile menu, I copy this, paste it here and close this on hover. Okay, On hover of this menu, we will change background color to Gainsborough. Just save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. See, okay. So now we will hide this hamburger menu. We will hide this hamburger menu now. So go to the code, now we will hide this hamburger menu. So for this we have to write media query. As of now, let's just uncomment this and hide this portion. Okay, hide this portion, the mobile navigation bar, we will now hide it. Okay, so media, I'm going to write media query now for mobile responsive navigation bar. Okay, media only screen and max width 576 px. Okay, 576 px. Give this okay. We will hide this. Let me just go to this, and as of now let me uncomment this. Okay, let me show you something. I have just uncommented this. Refresh the page now. So in mobile menu we are going to hide this entire menu. Okay, we are going to hide this entire menu on mobile devices. We will hide this entire menu. So go to this. Okay, menu container, give display as none. Okay, and give inner navbar, give inner navbar as justify content flex start. Okay, and give logo as position relative and left 13 px. Okay, just save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Go to the mobile menu. See, we have hidden it now. So now I will style this hamburger menu, this menu. Okay, this menu now I will style. So let's just inspect this mobile menu. is mobile menu. Copy, paste it here, give it position as relative. And now copy this and paste it here, give position as absolute, float, right 20px, save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. So give position absolute, okay. Position is relative, okay. So copy this fafa bars and paste it here. Now give color as white, font size as 30px, cursor as pointer, save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page, okay. So this is our hamburger menu, okay. This is our hamburger menu. This is our hamburger menu. This is our hamburger menu. So now for this screen devices, for this kind size of screen devices, we will also hide this entire menu, okay. So just copy this entire media query, okay. Copy this entire media query and go paste it here and change the pixel max width value, change the max width value, change the max width value to 768, okay. Display none, okay. Save your code, go to the browser, okay. Try to decrease your screen size now, okay. Now it is hidden in this screen size, okay. Let me show you here also. See, it is fully responsive for any kind of mobile devices, okay. So just copy this entire media query and paste it here and change the value to max width value to 992. Save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page, okay. So it is hidden now. Logo, copy the logo, go to the inspect menu, inspect it, logo, give it to this size, and mobile icon, give it to this size, okay. Mobile icon, now copy this code, go to the code and paste it here, okay, and make this logo also -30, left -30. Okay, save the code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, try to decrease it now, the screen width. Okay, so it is responsive now in mobile devices also, in any kind of devices it is responsive now. It is responsive for any kind of mobile devices. Okay, any kind of mobile devices it is responsive now. So now go to the media query, copy this entire media query and paste it here and change this value to 1200. Okay, max width 1200. Okay, menu container display none, mobile menu, display block. Okay, give this mobile menu as display block. Okay, save your code, go to the browser. Okay, fine, and now we will hide this hamburger menu on this device. Okay, we will hide this hamburger menu now. So just paste it here and change this to min width 992, mobile menu, display none, display none. Just as of now remove this, we don't need this in this screen devices, in this screen size. Okay, save your code and refresh the browser. Okay, so now it is hidden on big screen. Okay, see, okay, it is working fine. Let's go to the mobile menu, go to the mobile, see, everything is working fine. Now we will add this functionality on our menu. Okay, this functionality we will add now on this menu. Okay, so go to the code. Okay, go to the code, go to the code, and above the media query write a code. Okay, so show mobile menu. Okay, give opacity as of now 1, give visibility visible, and transition all 0.3 second is. Let me show you one thing. Previously I have told you that as of now we have to give this one, we have to uncomment this. Now let's uncomment this and make this opacity 0 and visibility hidden. Okay, so we won't be able to see anything. Just refresh the code. Okay, refresh the code. Now whenever someone will click on this hamburger menu, then only we will show the mobile menu. Okay, so for this we have to write some style sheet, and then we have to write Java jQuery also. Okay, so we will use this style sheet on Java jQuery. Style sheet for jQuery. Okay, so create another class and give it this class as a name as a drawer. Drawer means to open something. Okay, so we'll give translate as transform as translate 3D, and give it to make it 00 px. Okay, and will change to transform. Okay, and give paste this, copy this and paste it here. Okay, so as of now everything is ready. We just had to write some jQuery for the mobile menu functionality. Okay, so I am going to write jQuery for mobile menu functionality. Okay, whenever a user will click on this hamburger menu, then only we will show the mobile menu. Okay, like this. Whenever user is clicking on this hamburger menu, we will see mobile menu. Okay, like this. So for this functionality I am going to write jQuery here. Okay, and we'll use this class, these two class in jQuery. Okay, so I am going to write jQuery, but before this I have to include CDN link for jQuery. Okay, so I am going to include CDN link for jQuery. Okay, let me paste it from here. Paste it now, and create a script tag. So I hope you guys have some knowledge about jQuery. Okay, so document dot ready will explain you each and everything here. Then a function will run. So this line is saying if document has loaded, means content, images and JavaScript has loaded, style sheet also has loaded, then only this code will work. Okay, otherwise this code won't work. Okay, so let me show you one thing. Let me we'll just check if this is working or not. Give it a class as another class as ham, give it a mobile menu. Okay, copy this class and go to the JavaScript. Okay, so select this, paste it here. Okay, and dot click. Function will run and as of now just give alert and to see if our jQuery has included in the code or not. Okay, this is a good practice to test if your jQuery has loaded in the document or not. Is it working correctly or not? Okay, it works. Okay, it works. Save the code, go to the browser and refresh your page and click on the menu. See, it says it works. So our code is working fine. Now we'll move further. So delete this. So let me first clear our logic. Here what we want, what we are wanting here, whenever a user will click on this icon, okay, then only will show the mobile menu like this. When I am clicking on this menu, then only mobile menu will show. Okay, so after the clicking on of this menu, we will be able to see this mobile menu. Okay, so we have to build this same functionality here also. Okay, whenever a user will click, then only we will show the mobile menu. Okay, so let's go to the code, and in jQuery we select the any element using dot and hash notation. Okay, we have to put $, and we have to select the menu by class name or by ID. If we are selecting the menu or element or tag by class, we have to put dot. If we are selecting an element or tag by ID, we have to put hash. Okay, in jQuery. So dot mobile menu mobile menu container okay, dot will add class, which class we will add? The class we have created. Okay, the class we have created here, the class we have created here, a style sheet for jQuery. Okay, these two classes we will use in our JavaScript. So we'll code this class, copy this class, and go to the JavaScript and paste it here. Okay, and copy this, paste it here, and we'll change the ID of the element. We'll change this to inner mobile menu to class to a drawer. Okay, so let me copy this class, go to find, paste it here, so as of now we have hidden this class. Okay, as of now let me show you what we have hidden. Mobile menu container. Okay, this mobile menu we have hidden. We have given opacity 0 and we have given visibility also 0. Okay, so whenever we will click, we will change this to this will set opacity to 1 and visibility to visible. Okay, and drawer, see, for drawer go to the browser and inner mobile menu. Okay, go to inner mobile menu, see here inner mobile menu we have hidden the our mobile menu with translator 3D. It is already there in the left side of the browser, so we will set this to 000, so it will be visible. Okay, So as of now we have written the JavaScript jQuery for this code. Just save this code, go to the browser and refresh your page, okay, and click on the icon menu, okay, and let's see the output. Okay, nothing is happening as of now. We must have done some kind of mistake. We must have done some kind of mistake. Let me check it again. Is it working or not? Yeah, it's working fine. So it's working fine. Go to the element, go to body, yeah, mobile menus, okay, mobile menus, as put as here. Just save your code, go to the browser and refresh the page, okay. Click on the menu now, click on the icon now, this icon, hamburger icon, click on it now. I'm clicking it now. See, we got the output, okay, we got the output. Now we will make this functionality. Whenever a user will click on this area, this empty area, the menu should disappear, the menu should go away, okay, like this, okay. I'm clicking outside of this portion, this white portion, outside of this white portion, the menu is going, okay. So we have to build this functionality here also, okay. Whenever the user will click on this cross also, the menu will disappear, okay. So now let's go to the code and write the functionality for that only, okay. So document dot on click will run a function. So I'm using a fat array function here, giving an event. Clicking is an event, hovering an event, double clicking is known as also an event. So we are going to attach an event to the click event, to the pointer, okay. So just close this. So we are checking if, now we have to check if the target on which user has clicked is this or this, okay, this cross or this empty blank space, okay. If the target on which user has clicked, if remember, if the target, if user has clicked is this cross or this empty space, then only we will hide this mobile menu, okay. Again I am saying, if the target on which the user has clicked is this cursor, is this cross sign or this empty blank area, okay, then only we will hide this mobile menu, okay. So we are just checking that only, if user has clicked there or not, okay. If event dot target is what, mobile menu container, okay, mobile menu container, this mobile menu container, see this mobile menu container, okay, the entire layout, the entire overshadow, this, okay. And or event dot target is what, menu close means I'm talking about this cursor, this close sign. Okay, I'm talking about this close sign here. Then we will write, just copy this entire thing and paste it here. Okay, copy this entire thing and paste it here. So now let's save our page, save the code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, I'm just clicking now on the hamburger menu now. See, it's working. I'm clicking on the cross sign. It's not working. Let me check it why. Menu close. Okay, we have to remove the class. Sorry, we have to remove the class. Not we have to add the class, but we have to remove the class. Okay, remove the class. Just save your code. Go to the browser, refresh your page, click on this hamburger menu now. We are getting the output. And click on the cross sign now. See, it's going. See, it's going. I'm clicking on this portion, this empty portion. Okay, see, it's again going. Click on the hamburger now. Click on the close cross sign. It's going. Click on this empty space. It's also going. Okay, it is working super fine now, and it is responsive as well. So we have made this, we have achieved what we have wanted earlier. So we have achieved this kind of functionality like this. We have also achieved here. Okay, so we have got each and everything. It is a mobile responsive as well, and it has got each and every element of a menu. Okay, navbar. See, this is our main navbar. It has got child drop down also. Okay, and at the same time it is mobile responsive also. See, it is mobile responsive also. Okay, so you are free to make customizations, make changes according to your need, according to your requirements. Okay, so guys, so we have come to the end of this video tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this video, and again I would like to request you guys, if you have learned anything from this video tutorial, I would like to request you guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please like all my videos so that it will motivate me to make videos on every topic of web development and web designing. As you all know, my all video is dedicated to someone who is very special to my heart, who is very close to my emotions. Thanks a lot guys. Till then, bye bye, take care. See you guys in the next video tutorial.